If you love camping, tailgating, or just need a sturdy portable table for outdoor adventures, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable foldable table. A good camping table should be lightweight, durable, and easy to set up. But with so many options out there, how do you pick the right one? Well, we've done the hard work for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best foldable tables for camping, based on build quality, portability, and real user reviews. Before we dive in, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest discounts on these tables. Buying through our links supports the channel at no extra cost to you, so thank you in advance. Now, let's get started. Number 5. ARROWHEAD Outdoor 26-inch Heavy-Duty Portable Camping Folding Table. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the ARROWHEAD Outdoor 26-inch Heavy-Duty Portable Camping Table. This compact, square-shaped table is a favorite among campers for its rugged build and effortless setup. Made with a heavy-duty steel frame and 600D canvas fabric, this table is built to last. It's designed to hold up to 33 pounds, making it perfect for holding snacks, drinks, or even a small camping stove. The 600D canvas top is water-resistant and easy to clean. Just spot clean with a damp cloth and you're good to go. One of the standout features, the built-in cup holders. No more worrying about drinks tipping over on uneven ground. And when it's time to pack up, this table folds down in seconds and fits snugly into its included carrying case. At just 2.4 pounds, it's lightweight enough to toss in your trunk or backpack without adding bulk. Users love this table for its USA-based customer support, which is a huge plus if you ever run into issues. Whether you're camping under the redwoods or tailgating at a football game, this table delivers convenience without sacrificing durability. Number 4. FUNYKICH 2 feet small folding camping table. Coming in at number 4 is the FUNYKICH 2-foot small folding camping table, a versatile and height-adjustable pick that's perfect for campers who need flexibility. What sets this table apart? 3 adjustable heights, 10 inches low, 19 inches middle, and 27.5 inches high. Whether you're sitting on the ground in a camping chair or standing, this table adapts to your needs. The aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and sturdy, supporting up to 66 pounds, plenty for meals, games, or gear. The MDF tabletop is smooth, easy to clean, and resistant to scratches. Plus, the triangular support structure ensures stability, even on uneven terrain. When folded, it shrinks down to a briefcase-sized 15.7 by 12.2 inches, making it super portable. With a 4.4-star rating from 139+ reviews, users praise this table for its compact design and versatility. Whether you're at the beach, a picnic, or a campsite, this table is a reliable companion. Number 3. Byliable 4-foot heavy-duty folding table. Taking the 3rd spot is the Byliable 4-foot heavy-duty folding table, a larger, more robust option for group camping trips or outdoor parties. This table is built for heavy use with a high-density polyethylene HDPE top that's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and easy to wipe clean. The powder-coated steel legs provide rock-solid stability, and the non-slip foot covers keep it steady on any surface. What's impressive? It holds up to 100 pounds and folds in half for easy transport. The carrying handle makes it simple to move, and the folded size, 24 by 24 by 2.8 inches, fits neatly in a car trunk. With a 4.6-star rating from 846+ reviews, campers love this table for durability and convenience. It's ideal for group meals, game nights, or even as a temporary workstation. Number 2. FanttikOutdoor 4-foot Portable Folding Table, Zeta X4 Pro. In second place, we have the FanttikOutdoor Zeta X4 Pro, a premium foldable table with one-handed height adjustment. A game changer for campers who hate complicated setups. This table offers 4 adjustable heights, 22 inches, 24 inches, 29 inches, and 34 inches, so you can use it as a low coffee table or a full-height dining surface. The gravity lock mechanism keeps it secure at any height, and the HDPE tabletop is weatherproof and ultra-durable. The steel frame supports a whopping 300 pounds, making it one of the sturdiest options on our list. Plus, the honeycomb design disperses weight evenly so your gear stays stable. With a 4.6-star rating from 211+ reviews, users love its quick setup and portability. Whether you're hosting a BBQ or setting up a campsite kitchen, this table won't let you down. Number 1. Byliable 6-foot heavy-duty folding table. And now, the best foldable camping table on our list, the Byliable 6-foot heavy-duty folding table. If you need maximum space and strength, this is the one to get. With a 330-pound weight capacity, this table can handle everything from buffet spreads to heavy camping gear. The HDPE top resists water, scratches, and stains, while the steel legs provide unbeatable stability. Folding it is a breeze. Just secure the safety buckle, grab the built-in handle, and go. The folded size, 35.4 by 27.5 by 3 inches, is surprisingly compact for such a large table. Rated 4.5 stars from 243+ reviews, this table is a camper's dream for group trips, outdoor dining, or even as a temporary workbench. And there you have it, the top 5 best foldable tables for camping. Whether you need a compact table for solo trips or a heavy-duty option for group outings, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews. Don't forget to check the links below for the best deals. Thanks for watching and happy camping!